Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to save and download Instagram messages. So let's start. I'm here on Instagram. Let's go to our profile. Then when we are here on our profile, let's go to the three lines on the top right corner. Just click there. Then when we are here, just click on Account Center. Now let's go to our information and permissions in account settings. Just click there. And then let's go to download your information. Just click there. Then just click on download or transfer information. Click there. Select the account that you want to. In this case, this one. Just next. And then just click on some of your information. Just click here. Then when we are here, just scroll down and looking for messages. Just click on messages and then just click on next. And then just click on download to device. Here on download to device, you can select the date range. You can select, for example, last year, last week, last month, last 3 months, all time. So if you want to, just click on save, then just click here on format and the email address that you want to use. When we are ready, the email will arrive to your email address that you select. So that's the way to do it. I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.